Time to end this. Take that, you ugly as heck Felicity. And take that, you wannabe Springtrap. I guess that—
Hello, I am 530. I am 10 times 53. Wanna see the numbers between 530 and 540? Let's do it.
I am 531, and I am no number 15.
I am 532. And I am 19 lots of 28.
I am 533. And I am unlucky 41.
I am 534. And I am 6 lots of 89.
My name is 535. I am 507. That's it.
My name is 536. I am a Oct 67.
My name is 537. I am a third apple tree.
My name is 538. I am double 216.
Min navn is 539. I am 49 football teams.